Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the incredible world of human anatomy with 100 shocking facts that will blow your mind. Get ready to explore the cosmos within your own body. From the top of your head to the tips of your toes, we're about to uncover the fascinating, bizarre, and downright unbelievable truths about this incredible machine we call the human body. Buckle up, fact fans, it's going to be a wild ride.
The human body contains enough fat to make 7 bars of soap. Can you believe it?
Humans shed about 600,000 particles of skin every hour. That's a lot of dust.
The human nose can detect over 1 trillion different smells. Isn't that amazing?
Did you know? A full bladder is roughly the size of a softball. Yeah, that's right.
Here's a fascinating fact. The brain itself cannot feel pain. Isn't that something?
Here's a cool one. Your heartbeat changes to mimic the music you're listening to. Amazing, right?
More than half of your bones are in your hands, wrists, feet, and ankles. Isn't that fascinating?
Your stomach gets a new lining every 3 to 4 days. Pretty amazing, right?
Humans are the only species known to blush. How unique is that?
Your body has enough iron to forge a small nail.
You produce enough saliva in a lifetime to fill 2 swimming pools.
You lose about 4 kilograms or 9 pounds of skin cells each year.
Your eyes blink about 20 times per minute.
The human skeleton renews itself every 10 years.
Your heart beats more than 100,000 times a day.
Did you know that the acid in your stomach is strong enough to dissolve metal? It's pretty wild when you think about it.
Humans have about 60,000 miles of blood vessels in their bodies. That's enough to circle the Earth more than twice.
The human body can survive without food for about 3 weeks. It's amazing how resilient we are, isn't it?
There are more bacteria in your mouth than people on Earth. Pretty wild, right?
Your lungs can hold up to 6 liters of air. That's like 3 big soda bottles.
Your brain is 75% water. Who knew we were so splashy?
DNA distance. If uncoiled, the DNA in your cells would stretch to the sun and back.
Oxygen-hungry brain. The brain uses about 20% of the body's total oxygen supply.
Strong bones. Your bones are about 5 times stronger than steel of the same density.
Baby bones. Did you know that babies have about 300 bones at birth? Yeah, it's pretty fascinating.
Liver regeneration. The human liver can regenerate itself. Isn't that amazing?
Skin is king. Your skin is your largest organ, weighing about 8 pounds. Quite impressive, right?
Taste and smell. Did you know your sense of taste is about 80% smell? Yeah, it's true. So, the next time you enjoy your favorite meal, remember to thank your nose as much as your tongue.
Chin up. Fun fact, humans are the only mammals with chins. Isn't that fascinating? So, next time you look in the mirror, give your unique chin a little appreciation.
Nerve impulse speed. Get this. Nerve impulses travel to and from the brain at 170 miles per hour. That's faster than a lot of cars on the highway. Pretty amazing, right?
Did you know? Humans have a unique fingerprint. Yep, no 2 are exactly alike.
Believe it or not, every human body has around 37.2 trillion cells. That's a lot of cells working together.
Fun fact, your ears and nose never stop growing throughout your life. Pretty wild, right?
Your body is constantly fighting off cancerous cells.
The average person breathes 13 pints of air every minute.
The human tongue is covered in about 8,000 taste buds.
Electric brain. Your brain generates enough electricity to power a light bulb.
Muscle loss. You lose about 1% of your muscle mass per year after age 40.
Bone replacement. Your bones are constantly being replaced and repaired.
Did you know? Your stomach's mucus lining is replaced every 2 weeks. Pretty amazing, right?
Ever wondered why you get goosebumps? Well, they are actually a vestigial reflex. Fascinating, isn't it?
Here's an interesting fact. Your large intestine is about 5 feet long. Quite surprising, huh?
Human teeth are as strong as shark teeth. Can you believe that? Pretty wild, right?
The smallest bone in your body is in your ear, the stapes, tiny but mighty.
Your body's strongest muscle is the masseter, the jaw muscle. Bet you didn't see that one coming.
The rarest blood type is AB negative.
The cornea is the only part of the body that gets oxygen directly from the air.
The femur or thigh bone is the longest bone in the body.
The stapedius muscle in the ear is the smallest muscle in the body.
Red blood cells live for about 120 days before they are replaced.
You have about 5 million hair follicles on your body.
Your brain is the fattiest organ in your body, consisting of at least 60% fat.
Your heartbeat rate can double or even triple during exercise.
In just 30 minutes, your body produces enough heat to boil a gallon of water.
Did you know that the average person passes gas about 14 times a day? Yeah, that's right. Our digestive system is quite the busy place.
Here's a fun fact for you. A sneeze can travel out of your nose at speeds up to 100 miles per hour. That's faster than you might think, huh?
On average, your fingernails grow about 0.1 millimeters a day. It might not seem like much, but over time, it really adds up.
Yawning contagion. So yawning is contagious because of these things called mirror neurons in the brain. Pretty fascinating, right?
Brain's pain signals. The brain itself doesn't have any pain receptors, so it can't feel pain. Kind of surprising, isn't it?
Breathing control. Unlike your heartbeat, you can consciously control your breathing. It's pretty cool when you think about it.
All right, let's talk about blood's journey. In one day, your blood travels about 12,000 miles throughout your body. Isn't that just amazing?
Now, here's a fascinating fact about the iron in your blood. The iron in your blood is what makes it red. Pretty cool, right?
And did you know? White blood cells are your body's soldiers, fighting off infections. They're like your personal defense team.
Platelets are tiny cells in your blood that help it clot.
Plasma is the liquid part of your blood that carries nutrients and hormones.
Arteries carry blood away from the heart, while veins carry it back.
Capillaries are the tiniest blood vessels, and they deliver oxygen to your cells.
Your heart has 4 chambers, 2 atria and 2 ventricles.
Heart valves ensure that blood flows in the right direction.
Your heart has its own electrical system that controls its rhythm.
The lub-dub sound of your heartbeat is made by your heart valves closing.